For 43 years, Romic Environmental Technologies and its predecessor companies were storing and treating hazardous waste on the edge of San Francisco Bay. The soil and groundwater here are contaminated from years of operations dating back to the 1950s before environmental laws were passed. EPA got involved with the cleanup in the 1990s, and this facility closed down operations in 2007. We selected a remedy. We went through an extensive community involvement process. The cleanup involved removing all of the surface structures, including equipment and containers. Now we're concentrating on the cleanup of the underground soil and groundwater contamination. All the treatment is happening under the ground, and all the redevelopment can happen on the surface where they can construct anything they want that's new.
I love projects that really, kind of put an anchor in an area of a city that really doesn't have that. We'll do the improvements on Bay Road, so there'll be pedestrian and bike connectivity out to kind of the existing Bay Trail networks out there. We're looking at about 1.4 million square feet of office on 17 acres. So we got 5 office buildings, 8 stories, all with magnificent bay views. And then jobs. I mean, this is a significant number of tech jobs, but also kind of support jobs, maintenance jobs, site management type work. So I think there's also a variety of opportunities for employment as well.
One of the beauties of this remedy, it's all underground. All the treatment and all the contaminants are underground. Nobody's exposed to it, and people are protected, but we need to clean them up to protect the bay and to protect other communities as well.
EPA uses specialized tools to develop high-resolution, three-dimensional models that represents the contamination underground. The blue and green colors represent contamination levels that are likely to be much lower, and the orange and red represent high levels of contamination. This is just one of the tools we use in determining where to place monitoring wells for sampling and to find the best locations for the recently installed horizontal wells that are part of the enhanced bioremediation system.
The bioremediation system that we're using here is actually an advancement of the existing bioremediation system that we have. The original system used cheeseway and molasses as a food source for the naturally occurring bacteria that live underground. Those bacteria eat the contamination, so feeding the bacteria increases their population and helps clean up groundwater faster. The new remediation system uses a different food source that's mostly sugar and delivers the sugar solution using horizontal wells rather than vertical wells, because horizontal wells are better able to target specific treatment zones. So it's a much better way of cleaning up the site. So we measure the effectiveness of this system or any other system at any contaminated site by monitoring the groundwater regularly.
This biologic treatment allows the site to be redeveloped at the same time as the treatment's going on. What's most fulfilling is to see things move forward.
Now that we're moving forward, the city seems very committed to getting this done. I think they're as excited as we are in terms of, really starting the improvements in that area of town.
We always like to keep the community informed about what's going on as much as possible. We're all working together to protect the environment, to clean up the site so it can be redeveloped.
For more information about the great work going on here at Romic, please visit our website.